Okay, hello. We're gonna keep talking about R for a few more minutes, and in this particular section, I'm gonna talk about R packages. As I was saying before, it's one of the reasons why R is so popular is because there's just so many packages out there. And you can go to the CRAN site, to that website that I have on this slide, and you can find all the packages that are available. You can sort them by name. You can get all kinds of information. And by the way, you can also get some code examples, R code examples, so you can see how people are using those particular packages. A package typically has a lot of libraries. I'm sorry, a package can have one or many libraries. For the most part, a package has a library, but it can have more than one. It can have 2 or 3 or 4 libraries. And think of a package as if you want to use a package, think of a package as you think of a program. If you use Microsoft Word, you have to do 2 things. You have to install Microsoft Word in your computer, and then you run it when you need it. A package is the same thing. You install the package once, and you never have to install that package again. The package will be there for your use. So the installation is a one-step process. Except, of course, if there's a new version of the package and you want to update the package, then you can go and reinstall or update the package. But package installation is a one-step process. However, once you start using the packages in an R program, when you open R, there are no packages running. You need to load the packages into your environment for the packages to be active. And many times, you try a statistical routine and everything works fine, whatever, and then you close R, and then you try to do it again, nothing works. Perhaps you forgot to load the package. And then when you load the package, everything goes back to normal. An important thing to remember is that a package, once installed, is always there. But when you load a library, it will only be there until you close R. When you restart R, it will not be there. You have to reload it again. I have created a script called R packages, which is in the archive for this course, that has a list of all the packages we use for the class. If you want to install all the packages at once, you can go to that package and run all the commands in a single pass and install everything. I encourage you to go and install R in your computer, install RStudio in your computer, and then go and install all the packages that I have in the R packages script that I have for this class. Then you're ready to go, because for next week you're going to need those R packages and you're going to need the RStudio running in your computer. Okay, so once again, that's a 2-step process. Another important aspect of R is the views. And a view, there's a website in the CRAN website called /web/views. A view is simply a collection of packages that accomplishes, that services a particular function or a particular domain of expertise. So for example, if you're a researcher and you do like to do psychology research and you're interested in statistics that apply to psychology research, there is a view for that. And what happens is that if you install the view, all the packages that you would typically need to do psychology research will be automatically installed in your computer. If you like to do graphics, there's a view for graphics. So you go and install that view, and all the packages to do cool graphics in R will be installed. If you want to do analysis for predictive modeling, there's probably a view that allows you to do that. I would encourage you to just stick with the packages that we're using for this class, but begin to explore some of these views and see what other packages are out there. So when you go to this site, you can look at the documentation for each of the views. You can look at the list of packages that are contained in each one of those views, and then maybe one catches your attention. Go ahead, by all means, install it and start playing with it. Again, packages are great. They're free. You can download them, but stick to packages that you know work well. There are some packages that are incomplete and they need to be updated all the time. For the most part, packages work well, but it's an open source environment. Okay, you don't have the backup of a corporation for a vendor program like SAS and SPSS. So download your packages and enjoy working with R. So we're going to talk a little more about R and RStudio in the next couple of slides. So I'll see you next.